Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you where to get your friend ID on the Pokemon TCG Pocket app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and send your friend ID to a friend so that they can invite you and so that you guys can trade or battle. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is you're going to log onto your Pokemon TCG Pocket app. Then on the bottom hand side, you want to click on the middle button. Next, from here, you want to click on Friends on the bottom left hand side. And then from here, you want to click on the plus friend icon on the upper right hand side. So this right here is where you could actually go ahead and enter your friend ID so that you could search for them. Or you can click on the copy for your friend ID so that you could actually send this to your friend as well. As you can see, you'll get a confirmation that your friend ID has been copied. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your friend ID on the Pokemon TCG Pocket app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.